Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how to design a professional Shopify store using themes. So before starting this video, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tips and tricks like this one. So first of all, make sure that you are logged in with your Shopify store, and here you can see that this is my store right now. Okay, so it has basically no page, nothing else. So basically to make a store and to design a store, basically there are some built-in themes that are available to you that you can use to actually get started with. Now some themes are free, and basically if you want like more professional look, then the themes will be paid. Okay, so here in this sales channel you need to click on your online store, and then here you can see that we have themes, blog post, pages, navigation, and preferences. So we don't have any kind of blog post right now. Okay, and then we have basically the pages. We don't have the pages as well, and we don't have any kind of navigation as well. Okay, so click on themes, and now here you can see that basically if you use this theme here, okay, so your basically your store will look like this on a desktop or laptop, and like this on the phone. Okay, and then again we have like some popular free themes here. Okay, so basically let's suppose that if you wanted to basically just use this theme here. Okay, let's just try out this theme here. So how you can basically do this, so it's very simple. Just click on view your store here, and it will basically convert your store into this theme. Okay, like when you basically apply this theme, your store will look like this. Okay, so if you want, you can basically customize it. So you can just tap on customize, and then you will be able to basically change it. Okay, so this is basically the home page. So if you want, you can basically change this image here. Okay, if you just click on the image, it will show you the image banner, and from here you can change the image. Okay, the first image and the second image, and then you can basically like come to this page, and you can basically just like check this out, and there are like multiple options that you can basically change your themes. Okay, then you can just go back here, and then here are some other themes as well that you can basically try. So we can just, I think that we are using this theme. You can just go to this spotlight theme here, and then you will be able to see that you can use this theme as well. So it will basically opening up the theme for us, so we just gonna have to wait here. So it's free. We can just basically like you can try it, or you can just click on view demo store, and it will basically just show you the demo of the theme, that how this theme will look like when you basically purchase it or when you try it. So on phone it will look like this, and on PC it will look like this. Okay, so you can basically just go into this theme store, and you can basically explore multiple themes, and the one that looks perfect to you, you can just add. So that's it for this video, guys. If you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you in the